is Jonathan, and today we're going to learn about Gem Farm. Challenge: decompose multiple patterns into functions and loops. In this challenge, there are gems to collect and switches to toggle open. You will need to identify patterns for gem collections and switch activations. Then you will write a function for each pattern and figure out how many times you'll need to call those functions using a loop. First, we'll do the functions first. I'm going to have like about 5 functions because this puzzle is pretty long. So you will have to do like about 5 functions. Move forward. Move forward, collect gem is going to be my first function. Because it says gem farm and there is gems. So I will just do this. Now we're going to do the body of function, which is move forward, collect gem, move forward, collect gem, because there's a row of 2 gems, so we will have to do that. Now after this, we would have to have another command for the toggle switches, which is almost going to be the same thing, except it's going to say move forward, toggle switch. So move forward, toggle switch. Now after this, we would have to do the body function, which is going to be the same thing as the collect gem one, except move forward, toggle switch, move forward, toggle switch. Now next one, we would have to make byte turn around, or we could do move forward 2 times. I'm going to do move forward 2 times first, because after byte faces the wall, after he turns around, he will have to move forward 2 times. So we'll move forward 2 times. Now after move forward 2 times, we will have to do a body function, which is move forward, because it's move forward 2 times. Now after this, we'll have to do another function, which is turn around. And this is going to be a pretty simple function. One reason is because there's only 2 commands, which are super simple. So now, after turn, we're going to have to say around, because you're turning around, usually you know what that means. So, turn around, we could either do turn left 2 times, or turn right 2 times. I'm going to do turn right 2 times, because in the other videos, I use left. So, now, I'll do 4i in 3. Well, it's really 4i in 1 to 3. Now, after this, we would have to turn right to go for the gems first. Collect the gems, turn around, move forward 2 times. Now we're on the other side, facing left of the arrow we started on. And then we move forward, toggle switch. We turn around, and then we move forward 2 times. After this, we have to turn right, so we're facing the same direction we've been facing the whole time when we first started. Then after that, we have to move forward once, or else it's going to keep repeating in the same spot, because doing that is usually in the same spot where you started, so it's going to keep repeating till after it's 3. So we have to run the code. I'm also going to run it faster because it's pretty boring and run my code. And I noticed something. The right is wrong. So it's really left instead. Now we will run the code and see if it actually does right this time. And that part's kind of confusing because usually when you look at this side, it looks like you have to turn left, but it's really turn right. So yeah. Now it's gonna be going through these rows and gonna be collecting the gems and doing the switch. So I'm gonna keep moving. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video and also leave a like. Bye!